Hlathi steals Bavumile and disappears. Zoleka and Lazarus go to Cosmo to look for him and find that he never made it home. Nsike goes home to find uninvited guests. Umthetho Mabandla sitting there with baby Bavumile crying. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Inimba. So Zoleka and Lazarus realized Hlathi, when he said he was going to a bathroom, actually lied. He went to take Bavumile. He stole Bavumile and ran away with him. They look for him who is not where to be found. They drive to Cosmo. Find that at Cosmo, no one knows where Hlathi is. Thumeka is even shocked. Why you guys ngena la? What's happening? What's with the noise? Zoleka explains that Hlathi took Bavumile, utshentshhe umntwana uhambe naye. Thumeka is defeated ukuthi oh Thixo wenzeni uHlathi. Lazarus starts fighting Thulani, saying, you know where Hlathi is. Tell me where Hlathi is. And Thulani doesn't know where Hlathi is. This time around he doesn't know. Hlathi did not call him. They go outside. Lazarus busy fighting Hlathi. They had to stop them from fighting, and then they try calling Hlathi. Hlathi does not pick up. Thulani ends up phoning Ntsiki, trying to find out maybe Ntsiki has not heard from Hlathi. Thumeka is defeated. Wenzeni Hlathi wenzeni gogo. So then Lazarus realized this is fruitless, and they decide to leave and go look for their baby Bavu. And then Thulani tells Ntsiki to let him know if she has something. Lazarus noZoleka, they leave care, going to look for umntanabo. Thumeka keeps on trying to call Hlathi, leaving voicemails on his phone with no luck. And then Ntsiki comes over to the house. What's happening? What are you guys saying? Nithi umthetho utshentshhe umntana, utshentshhe ubavumile. Even Ntsiki this time around is like, as in, I know I've been rooting for Hlathi to be with his child, but the way he did it is wrong. I see indlela ukuthatha umntwana le. What does he realize imesa akuyo, like the kind of trouble he's in for what he did? Uthulani kumele sethi indoda desperate yenza noma abe yini yenza ubhanqa. Ntsiki was like this is not working. Lento ayenzile nje ubhanqa nje. Thumeka athi niyabona kade ndimcelela, I've been telling Hlathi to let this madness go. Jonga ke ngoku, look what he has done now. Yanga overhears the conversation, and now she's worried ukuthi utata bazombopha. Her dad is going to go to prison. Thumeka comforts her, saying no, tata into ayenzile, yes, it's wrong, but the concern now umntana. We need to find baby Bavumile. Uyanga is like, but utata will never hurt the baby, isn't it? Ngeke azamlimaza umntana utata. And then ubhutikala kaZoleka is there. Ulukhanyo worried ukuthi if Magaba hears this, she's gonna have a heart attack. Lazarus comes and says I think amaphoyisa bacekekile ngezinto zabo, and now they're worried. Qawe also arrives saying mama she has heard what is happening, I think from Ligamva, and then they decide to track Hlathi's phone. They all go into their laptops trying to track where Hlathi is. Ngapha Hlathi is busy driving around. Bavumile is busy crying. Umntana kaloku is probably hungry or probably needs a nappy change. Hlathi did not think about all these things. Just took a baby without a nappy bag, without any food or any bottle. Umntana ulambile ke ngoku. Bizwe yamthulisa, thula jambas. Jambas uthula kanjani alambile or edinga inappy change. Hlathi did not think this whole thing through. Uvele nje he just allowed his anger to take over. He did not think this whole thing through, because now umntana yakhala. The next thing he hears police sirens. Now he's wondering ukuthi mhlambe bafuna yena. He hides behind his car, on the side of his car, and they didn't see him. They passed, wavela wafaka umntana emoteni and drove off. And then Ntsiki goes home to find that. So when she gets home, gets a call from Thulani to tell him, no, I'm home now. Then they agree, because if you hear something, please let me know. Now if I hear something, I'll let you know. And then Ntsiki hears a baby crying in the house. Ntsiki is now shocked. What's happening? Because she lives alone, Kalok. And then she goes to the sitting room to find Hlathi Mthetho Mabandla sitting with baby Bavumile on the couch. Baby Bavumile crying. Usana libizwe yakhala. Hlathi ugona umntana sitting on the couch, just sitting there nomntana, like uhanjelwe ingqondo. Ntsiki azathi Mthetho, like she's defeated. But what have you done? I hope Hlathi abanjwe and go to prison and serve a very long sentence for what he did now. And then Sydney no Lillian, they're busy mission of trying to sabotage Zweleka no Lazarus. Sydney comes up with an idea because he cannot hack into Khusela because the system is like super secured. He decides to get amanamba ka Daphne from a file kankosikazi wakhe uHlengiwe and searches the number and sends a link to Daphne, so that if Daphne opens that link, then they have access to the Wi-Fi and get access to all the devices in the house. Hlengiwe will find them busy so her briefcase wacomplaina ukuthi wenzani Mthiyane ngebriefcase yami amafayile wami emsebenzi abaleke kangaka. Lento yenza, do you know how selfish Sydney is? He only thinks for himself. He's not even thinking ukuthi already his wife's job is on the line. Now he's adding more to that. Well, they sent the link to Daphne. Daphne opened the link. Now they even have access to seeing footage of the house. They have like surveillance access. Now they can see everyone in the house, everywhere, even the nursery. Yo, when's any Daphne? Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.